All right, let's talk about tools to create amazing Instagram stories for your personal brand or your business. We all know how popular Instagram stories have become. More than 500 million active users, and by the time you watch this course or this videos, that number will be even higher. So here are some of my favorite apps to create amazing stories: Instastory, Story Art, Unfold, Made, Story Lux. There are so many of these. So let's do a demo of some of these. And again, like I mentioned before, you can play with these. You can download these from your App Store or Google Play Store, or find other apps, but always use the one that fits your needs the best, the one that's easy for you, the one that you like the most. All right, so let's go to my phone. The first app I want to show you is the Story Art right here. So let's go to the Story Art, and then here are all of these amazing templates, and some of these are animated templates, which means, guess what, it'll create a video for you in the right format that you can use on your Instagram stories. Very, very powerful. And then here are some minimalistic designs. Amazing. So let's say if I want to use this design, or classic 2, it's just amazing. Let's go with this format. And now if you hit the plus icon, I can bring a picture. Working on my next IG workshop. There you go. And I can also create more text if I want. This is how it's going to look like. And I can change the text. I can move the position as well. So cool. So let's actually go back. I want to show you a couple of other things. So for example, you'll see this collage right here. This one right here. So when you click on that, you can bring 2 images and then add your promotional text to it. Now let's go back. I want to go to the animated options, which are right here. And seems like most of these are this symbol right here. That means it's a pro option. So on free plan, we might not be able to use it, but let's pick a free one. So this right here, and then inside that, I'm gonna pick this one. Now it's downloading the assets. So cool. And then go to edit, and then I can bring my picture. Look at that. Ooh, by the way, so what I did there was I hit on the style. So see the style right here, and then you can change the font, and also I believe the color. Just amazing stuff. Look at that. You can say save 20% off on next IG workshop, something like that. There you go. And then if you want to see how this looks like, you can play this. How cool is that? And it's the right format for your Instagram stories. All right, let's go back. So once you're done with this, you can click on this icon at the bottom and then save it to your album. You can share it to your Instagram story directly if you hit that. So now it's actually going to save it first because it's a video, and then I believe it's going to open the Instagram story, and then you can add your hashtags, your other location tags, which are 2 important things. So I would suggest when you're creating content for your Instagram stories, when you're adding to your Instagram stories, always use a location tag and a couple of hashtags. Why? Because that's how you can get more people or more visibility or discoverability on your Instagram stories. All right, let's see. And then now I'm gonna hit open, and there you go. So I can hit on top, let's say pick a location, Dallas, and then I can also some hashtags there. Very, very cool. All right, so now let's go back. All right, the next app I want to show you is a very simple app called Made. And this is when you download and open it, this is what it looks like. Let's hit the plus icon because I want to quickly show you. It's very similar to the other app that we looked at. Here are on top, you can go through these different categories, I call them, and then pick the one that you like the best. There's so many of these. I can spend days here. Look at this. So, and then from here, all you have to do is hit the plus icon and then bring in picture of yourself if you're creating personal brand stories, or pictures of, let's say, your products if you want to create like promotional stories. Let's go back. And now the other app I want to show you is the Story Lux, which is right here and then right here. So let's go to that app. And then here's something that I created, I think, a couple of days ago. Really, really simple collage. Most of these story apps, what they do is they enable you to create a collage, animation, or really cool graphic in the right format in just seconds. You don't need to spend a lot of time. All right, so I'm gonna X out, and then let's hit the plus icon. And then if you look here, here are, if at the bottom, different formats. So collages, neon, USA, neon, for example. Look at this. Very, very cool. So let's say I want to use this, and then from here you'll hit the plus icon, and then let's say you go to camera, access, here's my picture, there you go. And then if I wanted to change the format on top, they're 4:5 or 9:16. For stories, 9:16 is the best, so that's what I would suggest that you focus on. All right, guys, so this is it, the Story Lux. So we looked at a couple of different apps, and yeah, so last thing, so once you're done with it, you can hit the export option and then either save it to your camera roll or directly take it to your Instagram. So these are some of the apps, the other apps that I love to create stories: the Instastory, Story Art, Unfold, Made, Story Lux. You can search for these inside your App Store or Google Play Store, play with these, and there are other apps too. So pick the one. I always say for tools and apps, pick the one that you like the best. You don't have to go with my favorite app or tool. You can always test and then find something that you like the best. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.